E for extra. So, I have gotten to work miraculously by the grace of God. So I'm just going to quickly do my makeup. My makeup is not like buoyant or anything. It's just enough makeup for me to get by the day. It's usually foundation. Oh my God, this foundation looks like it has dried. I'd actually gotten foundation on my face before I thought of whipping out my iPad to film or to, let's say, to record. Because seeing to film sounds like, oh, it's like I'm using a camera or something. Oh, I think I actually oxidize this. Like that's general knowledge already. Anyway, so I had gotten the foundation on my skin before I thought I was going to record it. So I think it got tacky, got hard or something. So I usually just get foundation on my face everywhere. And what actually happens is that I'm going to be wearing a mask. Maybe not all through the day, but at least almost all through the day. Kind of transfers to my mask a little, which makes me uncomfortable and unmotivated, non-motivated. What's the word now? Whatever. Sometimes it doesn't motivate me to, wear makeup and go all out because if it's still going to transfer to my face mask, what's the point? I always just get like that sometimes. So, okay. I think my makeup has. This thing is messing with me. It wasn't coming out, and then all of a sudden everything just blah 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 blah. Written angle brush, so I'm just going to go in with that. I just try to fill it in. Wow, girl, you're really killing it. You're killing it. Don't let them tell you nonsense. Jeez, this other eye hurts. E for extra. Alright, so basically, I ain't gonna gel my hair because I don't want no drama. You see what I'm talking about? I forgot that I have foundation on and I was doing like this. Anyway, so that's it. Bye.